So this is a taken apart 944 handbrake. This is from a early model 944. So what had happened with this one is that it would just, you could pull it back and it would apply the brakes just fine, but it wouldn't stay where it was whenever you pull it back. So the problem was going to be within the teeth or within the spring here. And the spring, it obviously returns. But I took it off just to see what was going on, and if you hold this back, you can actually see in here that this tooth right here is actually rounded off. So it wasn't engaging with the teeth on this properly. So a $4 fix from eBay where I got a used part, just this little thing. I think I paid like $4.50 for it. Just this little tooth right here. It's a lot better condition and it will engage with these a lot more solid instead of just slipping right off. All I really needed to do was take out this to remove this part, and then it has like a little bit of a orientation on it because there's a cutout right there. It just drops in right there to hold it in place, and then there's a bolt on the other side. I don't remember if there was washers on it. I honestly don't think there was. A little bit so that this nub right here fits into where the spring is curved around and also under this. So then the hole right here that it sits in is going to be used as a fulcrum point for it to spin around, and that's what applies it to the little gear teeth. And that is a 13.